Welcome to this IB Computer Science Standard Level video covering topics 1.2.1 to 1.2.3. We'll explore components of a computer system, roles of computers in a networked world, associated social and ethical values, and we'll also look at relevant past papers questions to help you prepare for your exams. A computer system consists of several connected components that work together to process, store, and transmit information. The hardware forms the physical structure of the system. There are two types. Internal hardware refers to components that are installed inside the computer case and are essential for the core functioning of the computer. These components are typically not visible from the outside and are directly connected to the motherboard. Peripheral hardware, also known as peripheral devices, are auxiliary components that are connected to the computer externally or internally to provide additional functionality. These devices are not essential for the core operation of the computer but enhance its capabilities, providing inputs and both outputs. Software. This is the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do, and it is equally crucial. Operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux manage hardware resources and provide a user interface. Application software such as word processors and web browsers allow users to perform specific tasks. Utility software, including antivirus programs and disk cleaners, help maintain and optimize the system. Networks connect multiple computers and devices, enabling communication and resource sharing. Local area networks, known as LANs, connect devices within a limited area, while wide area networks, WANs, span larger geographical distances. The Internet, a global network of networks, allows a worldwide connectivity. Last for this point, human resources, which are often overlooked but are vital to computer systems. Programmers develop software. System administrators maintain networks and systems, and end users interact with the technology daily. In the year 2017, paper 1, time zone 0, we saw this question in a IB exam. It says, outline two components of a computer system, and it is worth 2 marks. As it is worth 2 marks, we know that we have to outline 2 components and give a brief explanation of these. For example, going simple, we can mention hardware, being the physical part of the system, and software, the programs and instructions that tell the hardware what to do. This would be more than enough to secure those 2 marks. Going on with point 1.2.2, we have client and server interactions. In this world, computers take various roles within networks. Client computers request and receive information from servers. For example, when you browse a website, your computer acts as a client, requesting web pages from a server. Servers, on the other hand, provide resources and services to clients. Some examples could be web servers, email servers, file servers, which can be seen every day. Peer-to-peer networks is a special case where computers can act as both clients and servers simultaneously. This decentralized approach is often used for file sharing and distributing computing tasks. Mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets connected to networks on the go, allowing users to access information and services from anywhere with an internet connection. Mobile devices are everyday objects embedded with sensors and network connectivity that fit anywhere in our house. These are capable of collecting and exchanging data, which makes them very useful. That's why they have overpowered the stationary devices such as personal computers. Finishing with this point, we have the past paper question from the year 2018 in November, paper 1, time zone 0. Describe the role of a server in a client-server network. This is worth 2 marks. Therefore, we have to give the role and an explanation. A possible answer could be, in a client-server network, a server's role is to provide services or resources to a client computers. That would be given the first mark. The second one would be given by answering, the server responds to requests from clients, such as delivering web pages, processing database queries, or managing email communications. The expansion of networked computers has given rise to numerous social and ethical concerns. There are many issues. For example, privacy. As vast amount of data is collected by companies and government raises questions about surveillance and the right personal information, this is a major issue. Another example could be cybersecurity, which is a critical concern, with the need to protect against hacks, data breaches, and other malicious activities becoming increasingly important. A social issue could be the digital divide, which is a term that refers to the gap between those who have access to information, communication, and technology and those who don't. This inequality can accelerate the existing social and economic disparities. Intellectual property rights is another issue, because in the digital age presents challenges with issues of copyright infringement and privacy becoming more complex. Now we have this 2019 May Paper 1 Time Zone 0 past paper question, which says the following. Discuss two ethical issues related to the use of computer networks, which is worth 6 marks. This means that 1 mark is given for giving the ethical issue, and 2 marks are given for discussing it. And this is done another time with the other ethical issue that we have to talk about. 2 examples that could be talked about would be privacy concerns and cybersecurity. Okay, so with just discussing them, this would be more than enough. In order to discuss an ethical issue, we would have to explain it and why is it an issue, okay? To summarize everything, we've explored the components of a computer system, the roles computers play in a networked world, and some social and ethical issues that arise. We've also looked at relevant past paper questions to help you prepare for your exams. Understanding these concepts is crucial for increasing our information in the computer science standard level topic. Thank you for watching and good luck with your studies.